until 5 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Camden, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dayton, Trotwood, Vandalia, Englewood, Eaton, Camden, Lewisburg, West Alexandria, Gladys, Clayton, Union, Brookville, Lebanon, Farmersville, Phillipsburg, Verona, West Elkton, Oklahoma, Morning Sun, and Wheatville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 10 and 32. Interstate 75 in Ohio near mile marker 64. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/.